in more than a year in the fourth quarter. Lenders sent out more than 75,000 notices during that time, this according to MDA DataQuick, and that is 20% fewer than in the prior quarter. Meantime, for many struggling to make their mortgage payments, getting a loan modification may seem like the answer, but are some of these companies taking advantage of struggling homeowners? Diana Olick is in Tampa with some answers for you. Diana.
Well, Melissa, with so many borrowers in trouble and lenders struggling to keep up with the sheer volume, here comes the middleman and here comes the scam. Loan modification companies. Some of them are legitimate, but some are not.
We couldn't walk away as a doctor. Certainly there's a community responsibility I felt to keep my home and to try to save it if I could.
Florida surgeon Dan Howard bought his dream home at the height of the housing market with some, well, creative financing. Now the house is worth considerably less than the two loans on it. He and his fiancée, Nikki Struthers, ironically an out-of-work mortgage broker, are struggling to make the monthly payments. Getting nowhere with their lender, they paid a California loan modification company called Lion Star Financial $3,500 for help.
I would have never imagined somebody taking our money and not helping us. Disappearing, won't return phone calls, emails, nothing.
Now, Lion Star promised them a modification, even provided letters supposedly from Dan's lenders, IndyMac and Wells Fargo, claiming they were at work. Neither lender has any record of Lion Star contacting them, and CNBC's calls to Lion Star were not returned.
They tell you to give some of their money up front. They offer dream deals and promise to rework your loans for a small fee. And then they take the money and run.
And a lot of these are former subprime mortgage brokers. Now, not all loan modification companies are bad. Some of them can offer you a lot of help and get you through the red tape, but it is buyer beware. In California, they have to be listed on the Department of Real Estate's website and approved. They should be licensed attorneys or licensed real estate agents. Anyone else, be careful. Melissa?
Thank you so much, Diana Olick in Tampa. Well, the goal is simple, fix the economy, but the way to go about it is the subject of fierce debate. My next guest says it's time to forget about the housing market and to focus instead on consumer spending habits. Chris Thornburg is principal at Beacon Economics, also joining me for this discussion.